Hello, my name is Gianluca. I'm a sophomore here at Loyola University Maryland. My major is marketing, and I chose marketing because of the creativity aspect and the strategy aspect. I love being creative, I love trying new things, and I love strategizing and executing a plan. And marketing allows me to do that. So, what is the workload like at Loyola? I'll tell you. The workload is not bad at all. I take 5 classes and I still have time to join clubs, socialize, have fun, work out. The workload is not bad at all. And the way I manage my workload is by having a schedule. And I follow that schedule no matter what. If I sleep bad that night, I'm still following the schedule. If I don't feel like doing something, well, the schedule says homework at this time. I'm gonna do my homework. And following the schedule keeps me up to date. Of course, I'm not perfect, but you get the idea. What are classes like? So classes are very dependent on the professors. Some classes, you have a mix of group projects, exams. Some classes are more lecture. Some classes are more group discussion. Each class is different. And again, each class is dependent upon the professor. So I'm gonna talk about my favorite class. And my favorite class that I took here is called Microeconomics Principles. And I really enjoyed this class because I really enjoyed the professor. The professor was very knowledgeable and he gave a lot of personal stories, which gave personal insight to the world, really. Coming from a guy who has a lot of knowledge in, school, teaching, economics, obviously, and I really enjoyed the professor, and that made me really enjoy the class. And I learned a lot about it. Not just learning about stuff in economics, but learning about stuff in life. Because he also helped us with many cool things like, resume tips, interview tips, and that class was my favorite class. And it stood out to me because the professor was willing to help us with anything, not just course material.